Phoenix has been all over the offensive glass. Is that third offensive rebound so far already?
We can have three people on one side like that.
First foul on Bird. That's a foul on Jackson. He's perplexed about that call. So ESPN will present the... Welcome back to Phoenix. We have had Sue Bird mic'd up all afternoon. Let's take a listen.
Good, go back! We can't have three people on one side like that. Strong, what do you go through? Strong, run it. Lauren, if I go under the drags, don't hedge. No, it happened before, but you know what I'm saying? Okay. You're supposed to cup it over, but if I go under, don't hedge. Just let me go under.
The reason Sue's telling Lauren not to hedge, if she's going under the screen, this is an on-ball screen, and Lauren Jackson steps out and hedges, then Sue might run into her. It makes her job much more difficult defensively.
Now they're going to look at the play to see whether or not
Two or a three.
Thank you, Sue. Whether or not it was a 2 or a 3, whether they should give her 2 free throws or 3 free throws. Sue explaining to her teammates why they went to the monitor.
A lot of green bodies there stopping it.
That is an 8-second violation. Sue Bird could not get it over midcourt in time.
Into the storm line,
It's not your fault.
and then for number 43, Nakia Sandberg.
I have a microphone on Sue. What is so annoying?
Probably that she thought it was right at 7.5. Like, what's the point? Why are you really calling that?
Yeah, for Hallis dribbles it out, well short. Bird hustled for the rebound, but stepped out of bounds.
After I get smacked in the face.
Sue Bird with the microphone. You might have heard her say she got slapped in the face.
Yeah. She thinks that's frustrating. It's frustrating.
Who's out there?
Bird also frustrated, wondering who was supposed to check Bonner, who got an open look at a long shot. Ball stays with Phoenix. Sue Bird with 3 Olympic gold medals, 2 WNBA championships.
Alicia.
Championships at UConn. That series starting Friday night, 9 Eastern time on ESPN2. Should be very entertaining. Sue Bird and Seattle taking on the defending champion Lynx, and Lindsay Whalen, who is stoic on the floor most times.
Nice, Drake.
Pointed at, I said, did you dance? Because the rest of her teammates danced. She looked at me and said, no, I don't dance.
She's
still
sneaky, though.
won't dance.
She's got a great sense of humor.
Yes.
She just is very serious looking.
That's nice.
Missed consistency this season for the Seattle Storm.
Picked up her second round pick from Atlanta a few years ago.
Go. Stay. Now go.
Sue Bird talking. Oh, wow. Thomas somehow found Bonner with about 3 seconds left on the shot clock. That's Bonner's first bucket of the second half.
Nice job offensively by Phoenix, but I have to tell you, Sue Bird, terrific job communicating with her team. It's vital when you're playing zone defense, and so helpful to Alicia Clark that last defensive possession. Long, undermanned, but have played hard.
The players who are out there on the floor have played their butts off. That's Sue Bird for 3.
Over DeWanna Bonner. If you're taking a 3, that's not the arm you want to see coming out your way. DeWanna Bonner is long.
6'4", and long arms.
And somehow she's found a way to look even skinnier in pink. It's a good thing she doesn't play for a team that wears black.
She'd be invisible.
They're juggling lineups. Sue Bird and Lauren Jackson didn't get heavy minutes here today. They've been terrific when they've been on the floor. When I watched their last game against San Antonio in the first half, Seattle looked like a could get swept. They have to find consistency, and it starts with those two players. They're going to have to play big minutes. They're going to have to play well. They're going to have to get contributions from the bench.
Lauren Jackson.
Oh, cool down now, buddy. We got some guys in here.